All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's good to see you after a long weekend. Just want to kind of give you guys an explanation today if I can do this, keep up with the video. But so started out pulling the home runs for the unit, mounting the clips, and then pulling the home runs up on the ceiling, which you can see there, all whatever 8 or 10 of those wires all bunched up together in the home run helpers. So went ahead and pulled the home runs first as soon as I got into this unit today. And then went ahead and started pulling the branch circuits after that. So I'm going to try to explain to you guys what goes where and why and how it all works and stuff like that. So basically the home runs are coming straight off of the panel, which is your power source, and different circuits require home runs and different home runs and stuff like that. So like the microwave is dedicated, the oven is dedicated. There's 2 kitchen circuits, but some of the circuits share wires are grouped together. So like I have that box right there is grouped with the 1 kitchen home run, which goes into this box right here. So as you can see, there's 2 wires in that box. So one is off the home run, and then the other power wire jumps out and hits a second plug. So they just tie together on the plug. There's 2 plugs on that circuit, or 2 receptacles, or 2 duplex receptacles are going to be on that circuit. Here is another home run box for the disposal, and another kitchen home run box. And then getting these all confused. So there's four plugs in the kitchen, 4 receptacles. Sorry, I don't know why I always say plugs. It's just a habit, but there is 4 countertop receptacles in the kitchen, and then 1 for the dining room. So there's 3 receptacles on 1 home run, and then 2 receptacles on another home run. And then coming down the hallway right here, the hallway has 1 home run, which feeds this whole wall. So it's just power in and power out. I'm already kind of behind on what I wanted to say, but basically there is the power just travels from each box. So from switch box to plug box to switch box, back to plug box. So the power is just sent throughout all of the boxes, and then from there, there is 3 wires left that I have to pull for the switch legs for the lights. So in the bedroom right here, you basically just have the bedroom home run coming off of the bathroom. So some of those 3 wires down on the ground. 1 is the power in, and then 1 is the power out to the low voltage panel, and another power out up to the switch box. And then from the switch box, you have a switch leg for the light, and then another power out feeding the rest of this room, which it just jumps in and out of each plug until the last one right here. This is the end of the line, so there's just 1 wire. And then got the washer and dryer right here. Those are dedicated, so dryer goes on top, washer goes on bottom. And then another home run over here for the water heater, which is just stubbed out on the wall right here. So it goes in the wall down about 6 feet and then coiled up right there. And then here is the low voltage panel, which is just jumping off of the plug. And then the bathroom right here, there's 5 wires. The home run is the power in, and then there's 2 power outs, 1 for the vanity light for constant power for a plug. It's going to be a lighted mirror, and then another power out which already goes to the bedroom, which I already showed you. And then the other 2 wires are the switch legs for the fan and the light in the ceiling. And then another home run dedicated here for the bathroom, so that's on its own circuit right there. Did I say plug? Receptacle. And then at the front door we have another switch, which is a 3-way. So it has a 14-3 wire, which goes back to the other switch box down the hallway, and then switch leg up to the ceiling for the light. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for checking out the video. I did just get the new, well, new to me, a brand new Motorola modem. So hopefully that will speed up my internet a little bit, because I have 200 megabytes a second and my stuff is like 5 to 10 years old. So definitely is outdated and not being able to pull as much speed as I can. So I got this new modem that was like $130, had $95 off, or $95 of certificates. So I got this for like $35. It's not the one that I exactly wanted. I probably should have got the 1,000 megabytes download, but anyways, it's a 686, which is good enough forever. I only have 200, so this will last me way longer than these ones ever have. So I probably could have got another one or a better one for like $50 more, but it didn't have a price tag. So anyways, I'm gonna drop that. Thanks for checking out the video. If you enjoyed, please drop a like. Even if you didn't enjoy, please drop a like. It would help out the channel, and I'd appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys back here in the next video. Thank you all who participated in the giveaway. That was fun over the weekend to get back to you guys, and congrats on the winner. Yeah, excited to see how many subscribers we'll have at the end of the year. Got a few more days left. So anyways, that should do it. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Good to see you guys back here after a long weekend. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.